So, I have been cleaning my dorm room. It may be a shock, I know, but it's looking better. It's still got a little ways to go, but I'll get it clean soon, possibly this evening, I'm not sure. I doubt I'll do it tomorrow, so this evening seems like the best bet. Anyhow, as I was cleaning, I came across some cookies, and I thought to myself, I don't remember getting any cookies recently. Where did these cookies come from? This is shocking, surprising, scary even. And then I realized that these cookies, I moved in with these cookies at the beginning of the school year. And these cookies have been here for a little over 8 months. That's a little scary. Anyhow, I've thrown them away. Well, I haven't thrown them away yet. They're in the garbage bag right now. Actually, you can take a look at them. I've got the garbage bag here. Can you perhaps, yes, you can see some cookie crumbs in there. And so I'm throwing these cookies away. And I'm still surprised that I managed to forget to eat these cookies 8 months ago, and I'm certainly not going to eat them now because they're just really old, and it just seems like a very bad idea. Farewell.